So yes, there is no one size fits all when it comes to product photography and setups. And the reason is because there are so many different products out there and light is going to interact with them all differently. So for example, if you are shining a light through a vase that's made out of glass, well, the light's going to go straight through it because it is a transparent material. Whereas if you did the same thing to a greeting card, well, light isn't going to go through it the same way as it does with the vase. So that alone should tell you, hey, lighting might be a little bit different depending on what kind of product you're shooting. So, one way you can really understand what's going to make your product look better or worse when it comes to lighting is through a couple lighting exercises that I created a while back. I made a video and a blog post where I walk you through different ways so you can understand how light works, specifically with your product and what makes it look better or worse, and even how you can understand if you have adequate light to photograph your products at home with natural light. So make sure you check out those resources in the description below. I'll make sure to link it and make sure you check it out.